Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has classified SoundHound AI as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 5.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.06%. This results in an average return of 1.21% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, and a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 19% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 3.41% to 35.47%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 32.27%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 2.41% to 222.39% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $11.65 and $36.69. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, Significant Movements in SoundHound AI Inc. Stock Price on Monday, fluctuating by 10.88% between high and low. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price increased by 2.99% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, rising from $11.05 to $11.38. During this trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 10.88%, with a low of $10.48 and a high of $11.62. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown an 18.91% gain. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, resulting in 16 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 41 million shares changed hands for approximately $464,290,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest price fell to $3.94. Currently, the price stands 54.44%, or $13.60, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the ticker SOUN, is making headlines with a remarkable surge in revenue of 151% and a robust backlog of $1.2 billion, positioning the company favorably compared to competitors like BigBear.ai. The shift towards profitability further enhances its appeal in a market that has experienced volatility, particularly influenced by concerns related to tariffs. With minimal debt, SoundHound appears well equipped to leverage its growth trajectory. The recent expansion of its enterprise AI capabilities has resulted in soaring key performance indicators and significant contract wins, indicating increasing demand across various sectors. This is particularly noteworthy as market sentiment evolves, with investors seeking resilient stocks amidst broader economic uncertainties. While SoundHound experienced a dramatic gain of 836% last year, a more cautious performance in 2025 has led some investors to consider buying during this dip, especially as the AI sector continues to draw attention for its transformative potential. The ongoing rise in AI adoption suggests a healthy growth outlook for the company in the long term. As SoundHound builds a global AI empire, its incremental gains and strategic positioning could play a vital role in boosting investor confidence, potentially leading to a rebound in its stock price as the overall appetite for AI stocks intensifies. While short-term movements will likely reflect current market trends, the long-term outlook remains positive for SOUN as it navigates the evolving digital landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush rated SOUN with a buy and a hold recommendation. Additionally, on that Wednesday, H.C. Wainwright again gave SOUN a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald gave SOUN an overweight rating along with an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock with a strong sell assessment. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. is currently presenting buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these two averages as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $10.66 and $10.09. A decline below either of these points will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal stemming from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could impact the near-term development. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and there has been a decline of 3.23% since then. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 36 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also reflects a buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.12, which may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support level is tested. The stock exhibits average movements during the day, and due to a strong trading volume, the associated risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.14 between its high and low, which amounts to 10.88%. In the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 7.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -6 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.76. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $11.12. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 24th of June, 2025, Sroka Diana executed an insider sale of 2,800 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kavan made an insider purchase of 240,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of June, 2025, Mohajer Kavan also conducted an insider sale of 122,712 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Mohajer Kavan executed another insider sale, this time of 131,664 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 20th of June, 2025, Imami Majid conducted an insider purchase of 80,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've assessed the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 23.539. In total, insiders purchased 4,791,868 shares and sold 6,912,481 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.87, representing a decrease of 4.49%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal derived from a pivot top identified 35 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. exhibits several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is a sound choice at these levels, with expectations of further gains over the next 3 months. We have updated our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of July, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open lower by 22 cents, starting at $11.16. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.